Am I down again? I can't see. I don't see my bobber. Look at this. My line just going out like crazy. Look at this.
I would hit him.
He's coming at me now. Oh, this feels heavy, dude. This feels really heavy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's go, Jake.
Big pike. Or it's a bass, I can't tell. Big bass.
Oh God,
it's a huge bass, dude.
Holy.
Is this what they are?
It's cold.
Oh my God, that's like a 5-pounder.
Oh my God. Yo.
Dude, is this what they are? They're just smallies?
No, yours was bitten up, wasn't it?
Yeah, this makes no sense. Yo, can you get a picture of this? Public water, 4-pounder all day, baby.
All right.
Dude. All right, absolute giant. That's one of my biggest smallies out of here. Not the biggest, but definitely a giant. Look at this fish. Wait, can I have the phone real quick? Like, if you get a picture like this. Oh my God, that's so big. Dude, that's what do you think that is? Like almost 4.5? Like,
Yeah.
like huge, dude. Huge, like full of eggs. Okay, I wasn't recording that, guys, but Reed just went down so hard. Like, is it just taken right now?
It was a second.
Dude, that thing was screaming. Like, I can't believe how fast that bobber went down. All right, dude, you better hit him before he swallows it. Feel him?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, dude. It's a big fish. That's a big fish. That might be a pike, dude. Dude, that's looking like pike-ish, dude. That's looking like a pike.
I'm really not sure.
Pike.
Yep.
Right, just drag him over here. Little male, but dude, what a start, dude. Like, are you kidding me right now? That's a no, it's a female. Ah, let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Oh my God. What a start to the day. We've been here for about 10 minutes. Nice fat female. Hopefully it lays some eggs. Either I don't have a shiner or I don't know, because I haven't gotten bit yet. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, as I said that, I'm down. As I said that. No. Literally was just like, how have I not gone down yet? Line's going out like crazy. Hopefully this is a pike and not a smallmouth. We can just trade catches if you want. You can take the smallmouth, I'll take the pike. Am I still down?
Yeah.
Just hit him. Nice pike. Yeah. Better fish. Better fish, yeah. There we go. Nice male. Long male.
He's barely hooked. He's barely hooked.
Okay, all right. Oh, look at that fish. You should get a shot like that. That's a sick shot. Here, can you get on this side? Thanks, bro. Oh.
Easy.
Hey. Just get like Smalley? No way. Dude, that's amazing. It's a male. Oh my God, how beautiful is that fish, dude? Dude. Mwah. So gorgeous. Disgusting. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, that's a giant. That's a giant. That's a giant.
That's a good one.
Is that the same? Could be the same fish.
Could be the same fish. That's a good one.
And you got someone to land him too this time.
That's a good one.
You got someone to land it too.
That is a good one.
Oh. Oh
Dude,
my
that's
God.
A fucking giant, dude.
Is it? Oh my God. That's a
decent one.
That's a big one.
That's a pig.
He's 35, dude.
God, that's a pig. Up, he's taking off.
Oh, just got here, dude.
Yes.
Dude,
Yes. That's a solid. Give it 32, probably.
He's
Look
so
at that.
fucking fat. Or it is a she, I don't know, but.
Look at the tape measure. That's.
I don't have my tape on me.
I'll go.
It's in the car. I'd say 32, probably, maybe.
Look at that.
Maybe 30.
Full of eggs. Biased female. Got you a photo.
First cast.
You want to kneel down in case it shakes.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I got her, I should say. Come here, mother.
Go down in case it shakes again. Beautiful.
Girth in it.
All right, cool. Got it. Nah, I don't need it. Nice fish. He's definitely 31, 32.
Nice.
Oh.
That's the big one. I think that's the big one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, God. Dude, this kid is killing it.
Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, it is.
Can I walk over here?
Oh.
my god.
That's a decent one.
He's not 40. He's the same. He's 32.
Big one.
He's like 32,
I thought
31.
he was a lot bigger.
Here, bring him over. I got him. Just bring him here. Dude, that might be this.
That's a little longer than the other one.
Thing.
The other one was fatter.
God, bro.
Dude, these are the fish. Like, he's 30, dude.
Jesus.
30 incher, dude.
Yeah.
Maybe 31.
Almost the same as last one.
The other one was 29 and a half.
Yeah, 29 and a half of that.
29.
It's like, yeah, 29.
29, yeah.
Could maybe even do
He probably might be 30. Looks like the same fish.
Yeah, honestly,
It's not, but it looks like it. They're just like, this is about like the above average size. Like they're all like this, basically.
oh yeah.
That's a giant. It's a big bass.
Big smallie.
That might be bigger than mine, bro. That's a giant.
Oh, right in the corner of the mouth too.
That's not as big as mine, but it's a giant.
So dark. Oh my god.
Let's go, baby.
Nice fish.
See,
That
I
had to been one of the
I missed one, dude. I missed one on that circle hook. You just like reeled down to him.
Reel right into him.
I did that and I missed it. I don't know how. Maybe I didn't let him eat for that long. But here, first shot. Let me get a close up. Oh, with the Stratic, that's such a sick shot. I'll send you these.
Sweet. Fatty.
Look how beautiful. That fish may have never been caught. Let me see the other lip. Let me see the other lip. Nah, it's been caught. See, that's unfortunate. That sucks. Almost every fish in here's been caught. Holy shit, it's a fish. Oh my god. No way. Nice pike. Or is that longer?
It's longer. I don't know.
How's it? Get him, get him, get him.
Yeah. It's in the video. Okay.
This is a fat, dude. This thing's so fat. It looks skinny, but it's actually like has a belly. Dude, feels really good. Oh, it's a turtle. Turtle? No, it's a giant pike. Keep reeling.
I was gonna say, what are you talking about? Oh, that's nice.
It's a big one, dude. Over 30. He's 32, bro. Maybe more. Maybe 34. No, he's bigger. He's giant. He's 3 feet long. He's 36. Bring here. Dude, I told you it was a big fish because he was just messing with it. That's 3 foot fish right there. Big female. Bring it right here.
I don't really need them. Dude, that's a fatty, dude. He's like 34, but so
35.
fat. I have a tape. You have a tape? Yeah. Alright, one minute.
Still green though. Still green.
Alright. Well, I can't get in the water, so. pass it to me.
This is you're gonna have to get low on the ground. This is a shake. Kneel down. Kneel down. No, get down. Get down. Trust me. Get down.
No, I will.
Big female got eggs in it. Just gonna shake.
Feel that. You want me to get pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, it's